Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. You are watching cscguideofficial.com. So today we discuss about Chinese government scholarship 2021 and 2022. So admissions are started. Admissions are open in Chinese government scholarship for China scholarship. So let's start. So first you type CSC Guide Official in Google and click on the first link. After clicking on first link you can see the procedure, application procedure 2021 and these kind of things. Okay, so the first scholarship already has been opened, so I already make video on this, so the video is in Urdu, but I will try to make video in English for English users. So I always say that my English is not good, but I'll just make video for those students who say in every video comment box, please make video in English. So that's why I make this video. So inshallah very soon I make video on this Shanghai Jiaotang University scholarship has been started. So today we discuss Harbin Institute of Technology. Click on Harbin Institute of Technology. Okay, or if you didn't find Harbin Institute of Technologies, then click on China scholarship, CSC scholarship admissions. You can see all these posts. So still two universities admissions are started. Okay, and now in coming days, so maybe other universities start admission as well. So first we discuss Harbin Institute of Technology HIT CSC scholarship 2021 and 2022. So if you want to apply in this university, so prepare your documents. So what's the procedure? And the scholarship detail is Chinese authority is Chinese government scholarship. University name is Harbin Institute of Technology. Student category master. This is for master and PhD students, not for undergraduates. Okay, and the scholarship type is fully funded scholarship. Monthly allowance is 3000 RMB for masters and 3500 RMB for PhD. Online apply means you fill online form and then send documents to the university address. So I will tell you the complete procedure, so don't worry about this. Application deadline is from October 15 to December 25 2020. Okay, December 25 2020 is the last date, means the next month is November, and after that December means you have to I think 3 months almost you have. So prepare your documents if you want to apply. First you try to get acceptance from this university. If you get acceptance letter from this university, then apply. If you don't if you didn't get acceptance letter, then apply if as you wish. Okay, but try to get acceptance from other university if you didn't get acceptance letter from Harbin Institute of Technology. So eligibility criteria is all international students can apply. Okay, and age limit for master is 35 and for PhD 40 years. So you can apply with English proficiency certificate. The last video which I made about Shanghai Jiaotang University, IELTS is mandatory on SJTUs, but in Harbin Institute of Technology, no IELTS mandatory. Okay, and IELTS is not mandatory. No IELTS required. If you just have English proficiency certificate, then it's okay. Because last year and previous year, 2 years ago, my friend got admission in this university on the basis of English proficiency certificate. So no, the main step of this game. Okay, how to apply for this scholarship? First you fill CSC online application form. Now at the time CSC online form is not, CSC online website is not open yet. So if don't worry about it. So you can see proper scholarship started from 15th of October, means you have to I think after 7 days admissions are started properly. So I'll just make this video for you, because you just prepare yourself. Okay, and prepare your documents as well. So first you fill CSC online application form, and no need to apply on university portal, means you just fill CSC online application form. Here is the link. Okay, no application on no need to fill on university portal. No need to fill university form. Okay, and you must have to pay 400 RMB or US dollar application fee, means and one thing more which I tell you, if you already applied in means if you applied last year and you didn't get acceptance, you didn't get admission in this university, then you can use your fee receipt for this year as well. So first confirm from the university, either maybe they change their procedure, but last time in 2018 I applied in it, but I did not get admission due to some reasons, and in I apply again in next year, means 2019. So I used my previous year fee receipt in next year. So you can do same like this, but must confirm from the university. I am asked from the university from on that time I asked from the university that can I use my last year fee receipt, 400 fee receipt, this year. So they say that yes, this is for 1 year, means if you not get admission in last year, you can apply, you can use this fee slip in next year. This is not for all the upcoming years, so it's only valid for 1 year, means 1 year relaxation for this slip. Okay, and that's no, send documents to university address. Here is the address, okay, in which you send your documents. No, when you prepare your documents and you prepare all the documents and put in your envelope, means your envelope will be fully covered with your documents, then clearly mention on your documents envelope outside CSC scholarship application, means they when they saw your parcel, they recognize that this is your application is for CSC scholarship. Okay, bank detail. Here is the bank detail in which you deposit your fee. On that time my friend's friend is studying there, friends are studying there, I think 2 or 3 friends, so I asked my friend, he asked them, and one of his friend pay my fee on that time. So you can do same thing. Okay, so or if you if I think account number is Swift BIC, means you are, if you want to pay international pay fee internationally, then you can. So ask from the university for more information as well. But if you are any friend in China, so ask them, please pay my fee. Okay, now here is the form. So I didn't fill CSC online application form because account when you fill CSC online application form, when you try to log in, then nothing will be shown. So means they says that you application, or sorry, system is under maintenance. So as application as CSC form is open, so I will tell you how you fill the form, but the link in the description as well, how you fill CSC online application form. If any changes occurred in online application form, then I will make video on this, so don't worry about this. There is no online application fee. Online application apply on university portal, means some universities says that you must apply on CSC portal and university portal as well, because some universities have 2 portals, means CSC is standard. If you want to apply for CSC scholarship, then you must fill CSC online application form. But in university, means if you apply in Harbin Institute of Technology, then you fill online application form of Harbin Institute of Technology. In other universities, in apply case, okay, but in this case you didn't apply. Like the last video which I made, SJTU, Shanghai Jiaotang University, both the form is necessary to fill, means CSC online form and university online form as well. But this time didn't fill you didn't fill university online application form required documents list. So you must send your all these documents which I'll tell you. All these documents must prepare your all these documents and send it to university postal address. Here is the postal address which I wrote. Okay, and the 2 sets of documents, means all these documents, make a set of all these documents, staple it and put in your in parcel, and again make another copy of all these documents, separate from one copy. Okay, means 2 copies, 2 different copies, attach, stapled each other, and put in your parcel. Means you don't require 2 separate parcel. In one parcel you put your 2 sets of documents stapled separately. Okay, I hope you understand. In upcoming days I will show you, I will show practically how you fill and how you send your documents, how you put your documents in parcel. So don't worry about this. Okay, now the main step, how required documents. You must fill CSC online application form. When system is ready, then you can fill. Okay, otherwise didn't. So very soon they open CSC online application form. So first one is CSC online application form. When you fill the form, they required agency number. Agency number is standard number of every university. Okay, 10213 10213 is the agency number of Harbin Institute of Technology. When they required, when you fill online form, they says agency number, put agency number. When you put 10213, then Harbin Institute of Technology automatically types in the next column. Okay, it means your application is for Harbin Institute of Technology. Okay, the next one is degree certificate. Notarized copy means you notarized your documents from your courts of your home country courts, and it's in other words, it says notary public in our country as well. Okay, but in your country do you says to the related authority, like in our country, we go to our district courts and ask them, please notarize my documents. They charge 10 or 10 or 20 rupees, Pakistani rupees, and they notary one documents. Okay, and in these kind of things. Okay, if you are university students, then provide hope certificate. It means you are studying. If you are still studying and in 7th semester or 8th semester you want to apply for a Chinese government scholarship, then you must have hope certificate, and hope certificate is also must be also notarized. Okay, degree certificates. Okay, it's colored or black and white. It's depends on you. It doesn't matter if it's not being colored, then black and white is okay. Transcript of highest education. You must have transcript of highest education, your study plan or research proposal here, not less than 800 words. Click here to download the study plan or research plan for Harbin Institute of Technology. Means this is for PhD study plan for both master and doctoral program. Mean first you type your research plan, research title here, and your surname and your first name. If you don't have a research title, then you can use any topic, and in which you think that it means if you are from computer science and you want to you think that when I go there and then I work on big data and data mining and these kind of things, then you type your title of big data. Okay, so and the next one is surname, which you already had been wrote on your passport, and first name as well. Application or school department means in which you applied. Application major, expected supervisor. If you don't have any expected supervisor, then leave it. Expected research area, if you don't have any research area, then leave it as well. But if I try you type some research area, one of the research area here. Okay, this is the research background. Okay, means these are the headings which you must be used in your research plan. Research purpose and significance, literature reviews, scientific preparation of the applicant, and research method. These are the headings which you use, and in almost 800 words it's enough for you. So don't worry about this. If you think that I don't have any idea about research plan, what should I do, and maybe I am rejected due to weak study or research plan, so don't worry. You just make from your own side. You try by yourself, then I hope inshallah you will get 2 recommendation letter. Make from your previous institute from which you already has been graduated. Passport copy valid for 1 year, means your passport will be expired on December 2021. Okay, so physical examination form, click here to download the physical examination form. And English proficiency certificate, IELTS is not mandatory. Certificate of no criminal record means police clearance certificate is must required in this university. Acceptance letter, it's optional. For example, if you get acceptance letter and professor says that please give me a sample, acceptance letter sample, especially for Harbin Institute of Technology, this is the sample for Harbin Institute of Technology. Okay, download this sample, and if professor make acceptance letter for you another sample, then you send your you send this format to the professor and ask him, please sir, fill this form and fill this acceptance letter and and sign on this paper, sign on this letter, and send me back, because it's officially Harbin Institute of Technology officially announced, officially given acceptance letter format. Okay, and the next one is bank receipt. The fee which you submit or on in a bank, then you must use your receipt as well and attach with the with other documents and send it to the university address. Okay, click here. Now the main purpose, students, mostly students are much worried about either these universities offering major or not, which major they offer a scholarship. So they offer scholarship to which majors, so don't worry about it. These are the majors. You can check your major here: School of Instrumentation Science and Engineering, School of Electrical Engineering, Automation, School of Energy Sciences, and these all these this is for PhD, and I think at the end master's programs also included. You can check your master program as well. Okay, we will search master master degree program. Okay, here is the master degree program. All these programs are included, so check your program. If your major is in the list, then apply, otherwise leave this university and try to find your major in other university. So hope so you will get. I already after making this video, I'll give the link in the description here. Okay, good luck and thanks for watching.